Linksys dual-band AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router E7350. Step 1. Unbox the router and accessories. Take out the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Step 2. Place the router in a central location. Position the router in an elevated, central area for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Connect the router to power. Plug the power adapter into the router and a power outlet, then turn it on. Step 4. Connect the router to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN/Internet port. Step 5. Wait for the router's LED to stabilize. Allow the router's indicator light to stabilize, typically solid white or green. Step 6. Connect your device to the router. Use a smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID. Step 7. Open a web browser. Navigate to http://192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local to access the setup interface. Step 8. Follow the on-screen instructions. Use the Linksys Setup Wizard to configure the router, including creating a new SSID and password. Step 9. Check for firmware updates. In the router settings, check for and apply any available firmware updates. Step 10. Test your internet connection. Ensure you can browse the internet on a connected device. Thank you for watching.